Okay, here we go. It's the big one. Now we're gonna make our directory structure. What I should do is here I should resize this equal. Key clicks for this are Control A, Shift colon, Control A colon. And you bring up the resize screen, and if you hit equals, it makes everything equal again. Okay. So let's go. We're gonna say make directory parent verbose. Let's see if our LFS variable is here. I shouldn't have went anywhere. Okay. Let's see. Make directory parent verbose $LFS. We're gonna say we need to make dev proc sys and run. Okay. Create our device nodes and say make node O 600 $LFS dev console character device major 5 and a minor 1. Can modify this. Should be null and 666. Okay. Now we have to mount and bind our host OS dev folder to our LFS dev folder. Mount verbose type dev pts $LFS dev pts -o. Group ID is 5 mode equals 620. Yep, screw that up. There we go. Okay. If you can hit Control W and it'll take out the last word. Little hint. Proc. $LFS proc sys. Oh shit. No. VT. sysfs. The sys. Now run. We'll say tempfs. Okay. And let's do this. Let's say if h $LFS dev gem or shared memory. Make sure you have your spaces here. We'll error out. Make directory parent verbose $LFS encapsulate read link $LFS dev shared memory, and close that if statement. Okay, skip the package management stuff onto entering our chroot environment. Very important. Root $LFS tools bin env-i home equals root. Term is going to equal encapsulate $term. PS1 var is going to equal escape out u stop w escape out $space. Our path is going to equal bin stop user bin stop sbin stop user sbin stop tools bin. Okay. Tools bin bash. login plus H. Okay, now you should see you have the prompts that say I have no name. Okay, and you're okay. Let's make our directories. Make directory parent for boost. We need to make a bin boot Etsy. Underneath Etsy, we need opt sysconfig. Pop out. We need home lib. Under lib, we need firmware. We need a mount, and we need an optional. I think it's optional. I think that means optional. I don't know. I forget. Check them. Good. Okay. Make directory. Parent for boost. Under root, we need media. Under media, we need floppy, CD-ROM. Pop out sbin, serve, and var. Okay. You see here, I can't, when I hit Control L now, nothing happens yet. Okay, because I think is it input RC? I think it's input RC or something like that. It doesn't work yet. Install. Create directories as needed. 0750 root. Need to install 177 777s temp var temp. Okay. Make directory parent in verbose user / encapsulate comma local we need bin include lib sbin source. Okay, we can took all that stuff out. I could have used that, huh? Let's say user local Well, look at something real quick. Okay, I did it right. We could say user local share color dict doc info locale man. Okay. I'm going to modify this here and just take out the V. And I need to take some of this out here. Miscellaneous term info zone info. Okay. Move user lib make directory, I'm sorry. Make directory user lib exec. And let's do local share man 138 parent directory. Good deal. Now, I'm running a 32-bit, so this should not work for me. But out of posterity, I am going to just do it because I have done it during my dry runs, and I don't want to really change anything now, but this should not work for me. It should work for you if you're doing a 64-bit, but for me this will not work. lib64. This case statement is saying case you name or machine architecture in x86 64, which is 64-bit, do this. But I don't want to leave it out because I have confidence that it won't do anything, but I'm not into experimenting right now. lib64. Link symbolic for both lib. But like I said, if you are a 64 guy, you need to do this. lib64. Let's see. Case machine architecture in x86 64. Link symbolic verbose lib to lib64. Link symbolic verbose lib to user lib64. And do the same for user local lib64. And close our case statement. Make directory verbose var. Underneath we need log, mail, spool. Link symbolic verbose run to var run. Link var or link run lock to var lock. Make a directory parent verbose var encapsulate optional maybe cache lib encapsulate under lib we need color miscellaneous locate pop out locale. Okay. Alright, let's link symbolic verbose tools bin. We need to link bash cat echo present working directory stty to bin. Link symbolic verbose tools bin perl to user bin. Link tools lib gcc underscore so dot or underscore dot so all comma dot one so it'll be so and so dot ones to user lib. Okay. I'm going to do the same for lib standard C++ so all so and all so.6s to user lib. Sed s tools, replace tools with user and tools lib standard C++ dot la. We need to put that into user lib standard C++ dot la. Place tools with user and tools lib standard C++. Okay. Link symbolic verbose bash to bin sh. Okay. Link symbolic verbose proc self mounts to etc m tab. Okay. Now we need to cat into etc password EOF. Let me see if I didn't miss something up here. No, I'm doing it. Root stop x o stop root stop bin bash. Let's check it out. Okay. Bin dev null bin false. Daemon 6 daemon user. That's a space in between there, by the way. Null bin false. Message bus dbus message daemon user var run dbus bin false. Okay. And nobody 99 on user dev null bin false EOF. Okay, good. Now, so we don't have an editor. You hit vi, nothing happens. Okay, you hit vim, nothing's gonna happen. You ain't got no editor, you ain't got no nano, you got no nothing. Okay, if you do screw up, you can always delete that file. Okay, or I'll show you how to fix it. I should have touched on this earlier, but I'll show you how to fix a blooper in your syntax or whatever it may be. Okay, so cat into etsy group. Okay, root 0 bin say daemon. At the very end I'll show you how you can fix that if you do screw up. Okay, kmem equals 3, tape is 4, tty is 5, daemon 6, floppy 7, disk 8, LP 9, dial out 10, audio 11, video 12, utemp 13, USB 14, CD-ROM 15, ADM 16, message bus 18, system D dash journal 23, input 24, mail 34, no group 99, users 9,999. Okay, so say we screwed up here. Okay, instead of users, let's call them usefuls. Okay, or something. Just a syntactical error. Okay, and 99. Well, I don't want to do that, but just say that. Okay, so EOF. Okay, cat out etsy well, Etsy, not password, group. Okay, and here at the very bottom you can see that we have our syntactical error. Okay, now this is the very last one. We're screwed. What do we do? Oh my god, do we start all over? No. Okay, what you can do is use sed and say sed I. Well, I'm gonna just say sed first. Set up SG. Okay, and the and signs here are delimiters. Okay, so I'm going to say sed, or the at signs, I'm sorry. Whatever you put there is a delimiter. You can be /, no backslash, /% signs, no dollar signs, and signs. Okay, I want to replace, I'm going to say usefuls. I want to replace that with users. Okay, and the input file is my Etsy group. Okay, now if we cat Etsy group, you can see that that is fixed. Okay, so this is using basic simple tools that we learn by doing this stuff to make our lives a little easier. exec tools, and I've screwed up on that file a lot. Tools bin bash, and we want to log in +H. Good. Your prompt should have changed. Touch var log bitmap last log wtemp. Okay. Change group for boost utemp var log last log. Okay. Change mod for boost 664 var log last log. Change mod for boost 600 var log bitmap. I think it's bitmap. I don't know what that is really. Okay, so that's done. Okay, look where we are. We're in root. Okay, I don't know if this is gonna happen. LFS shouldn't really happen. Well, should it happen? I don't know. We'll find out. CD into sources. It's one of them things where you overanalyze it, you know? Like, I've never checked it before, but you overanalyze it and you start to question yourself. tar xvf, our Linux kernel. Cut the video here, pick it back up 6.7.